Okay, I'm just going to explain rotation and revolution a little bit more. So, rotation is when the Earth spins on its axis. Okay, so you can see in this globe here, the Earth is tilted, it's not straight up and down. Okay, and so that's that 23.5 degree tilt that we were talking about. So, this is an example of that. Okay, so when the Earth rotates, it just does one spin on its axis one full time. Okay, so it's kind of hard to show you on this globe. But this kind of line here, this invisible line, is the axis that it rotates on. Okay, so it's just like a big sphere that is rotating. And it takes 23.97 hours, so what we consider one day, for the Earth to make that full rotation. And that's why we get our day and night, okay, our morning and our darkness. So that's rotation, but revolution is when the Earth then travels around the sun, okay, in an elliptical orbit. So imagine this lamp here is the sun. The Earth makes its journey around the sun, a full elliptical path once every 365 days. But you can see that because the Earth is tilted, depending on what part of the Earth is tilted towards the sun, that's how we get our changing season. So the northern hemisphere, which is where we live, North America, when we're tilted towards the sun and receiving sunlight, it's our summer. But as we as we revolve around the sun and we're tilted away from the sun, okay, so if North America is now tilted away, we're not receiving that direct sunlight anymore, and so that's our colder season, so fall winter. Okay, so that is revolution. So when the Earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit, and it takes 365.25 days. So we usually say 365. That 0.25 is because of our leap years that we get once every 4 years. Okay, so rotate, Earth spins on its axis once every 24 hours. Sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Revolve, Earth goes around the sun once every 365 days.